What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the A30 wireless headphones by OneOdio. Let's get started. So let's begin by unboxing these headphones. So right here you have your travel adapter. Let me take everything out so you can see. So first you have your USB to USB-C cable, because this headphone uses USB-C to charge. Next, you have your audio cable as well. And then you also have your travel adapter. So let's put these to the side. Okay. Before we get to the headphones, you also have your user manual right here. Put that aside as well. And then you get this nice leather soft case that has the headphones inside. And let's open that up. Okay. There you go. Now that we put all the cables and everything you get with the headphones to the side, let's talk about the headphones itself. Now, the headphones is primarily made out of plastic, as you can hear. Now, you also have this non-genuine leather right here that gives you and shows you this branding of OneOdio on the headband. Now, that's actually one thing I noticed off the bat, is how much they are really focused on letting you know this headphone is from OneOdio. So right here you have the OneOdio, branding. You have it right here again on the headband, and then on the other side, and then right here as well. So you have 4 places right off the bat, not including the logos on either end, but just the wording and the branding of OneOdio at least 4 times or 3 times within the headphone, which is interesting. So let's talk controls and comfort. Starting with controls, it's very straightforward. You have your volume up, your power button, your volume down, a place for your audio cable, and then on the other side you have this switch right here to turn on or off, active noise cancellation, and then finally this headphone uses USB-C cable to charge. Now, as far as comfort, the ear cups have a nice size to them. So upon me using these headphones for a couple of days, I was able to actually keep them on my head for a decent amount of time. I used them to work out in, and I was able to keep them on my head for about an hour, hour and a half without any problems. So some things I would like to mention about the controls is, to be honest, they kind of feel cheap. As you can hear the plastic here. Doesn't feel very well built, and also the noise cancellation switch here, I'm not sure why they made that into a switch instead of a button you can just tap, and it will be a whole lot simpler. Moving on now to features for these headphones, starting with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, and then as far as specs, they use hi-fi 40mm sound drivers that help give you that very good sound, which I'm going to discuss later in the video as part of my review for these headphones. They also have voice assistant recognition, which I used with my Siri on my iPhone, I apologize. And finally, they do have active noise cancellation for up to 26 decibels, which isn't that good. And again, I'm going to discuss that later in the video. Sticking with features, let's now talk about battery life. Now, they advertise that you can get 25 hours of playtime with just using Bluetooth without active noise cancellation, which is not that good at all. And if you're planning to use active noise cancellation with Bluetooth, so that means that you're planning to use the headphone wirelessly and activate Bluetooth and activate active noise cancellation, you would get about 15 hours of battery life. And that is accurate, because I used the headphones for a few hours so far in the last few days, and it went from telling me that my battery life is high to medium. So that makes sense, and I'm going to say that the 15-hour battery life for Bluetooth and active noise cancellation turned on is accurate. It's now time for the mic test. Now, what I did with that is I paired the headphone to my phone, and I launched the voice memo app, and I recorded 3 phrases. And I'm going to play those phrases for you right now. What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Testing, testing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. This is not a drill. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. So that was the mic test. Let me know down below your thoughts. Now it's time for me to talk about sound quality. Now, for the last few days, I've been using these headphones. I've been using them with my iPhone, and I've been using them at 100% volume for about 90% of the time. And from, I would say, 5 to 10% of the time I was using them, I was experiencing a static noise in the background. And I don't know whether that's because I was using it at max volume when I'm listening to my rap and EDM songs, but I was experiencing that issue nonetheless. And as far as bass and sound quality, I would give the sound quality a rating of 5 out of 10. The reason why I would give these headphones a 5 out of 10 when it comes to sound quality is because really they were advertising that there's a lot of emphasis on the bass, but there isn't. I didn't feel any real emphasis on the bass with these headphones. Now, as far as the normal sound quality of like the lyrical version of the songs and listening to the details, it did okay. It really did okay. But when it comes to bass, I didn't feel anything extra. I didn't feel anything, extraordinary like what they were advertising, saying that these headphones are really, made for bass. I didn't personally see it. Now let me share with you the thoughts that I have about these headphones. Now keep in mind, I'm going to be mentioning the price point a good amount. And the reason why is because I think they're a bit overpriced. And let me explain. The sound quality is not that good, in my opinion, to justify a $70 price point. As far as the active noise cancellation, it does feature 26 decibels of, decreasing sound. Like it can decrease the outside sound by up to 26 decibels, which isn't that good because other competitive headphones out there, like the Wise active noise cancellation headphones, feature noise, reduction levels up to 40 decibels, and they also cost $70. Now, next, the battery life. The battery life I got around, I would say, fully around 15 hours of battery life while using the active noise cancellation and Bluetooth for these headphones, which isn't that good, and it really isn't even that competitive. While again, a headphone like the Wise active noise cancellation is featuring 20 to 22 hours of battery life while activating active noise cancellation. The final thing I would like to say is the fact that these headphones lack a lot of common features that are now in headphones around that $70 price range. For example, again, I'm going to be using the Wise active noise cancellation headphones as an example. The Wise active noise cancellation headphones have an app-enabled back end to it. And that means that I can go in the Wise app and activate the equalizer settings. I can play around and adjust my active noise cancellation modes to transparency, to even turning off transparency mode, all through the app. This headphone does not feature that. There's no app. The battery life isn't that good. Noise cancellation isn't that high when it comes to decreasing, decibel levels. And it's just not worth it for me. And to me, I feel like these headphones are overpriced by about $20 to $30 in my opinion. And for all the reasons that I mentioned, I really wouldn't recommend these headphones. Just simply because I feel that they are overpriced and you can get more bang for your dollar elsewhere. For example, if you're looking to spend the $70 at the $70 price point and your budget is $70 to $80, I would take a look at the Soundcore Life Q30 headphones or the Wise active noise canceling headphones, because both of these are very good contenders. And if you're also looking for something that has good bass technology and puts a lot of emphasis on bass, but you have a smaller budget than the $60 or $70, I would check out the Life Q20 headphones. So this was my unboxing and review of the OneOdio A30 headphones. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. I hope you have a great day. Take care.